Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this vanity set, and first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you're shopping for this vanity set, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This vanity ships in this medium to large size box shown here. It's pretty heavy, so you'll likely need two strong individuals to move it into the room that it's to be assembled in. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of parts here, and so the best way to prepare to assemble this vanity set is to organize and group together parts that are similar in size. Parts that are similar in size typically get used during the same step, so in order to minimize the overwhelm, organize in this way so that you can identify parts a bit easier and make the overall assembly process more efficient. Here's the pre-organized pack of hardware. This is a major plus because you won't have to do any organizing yourself, making the assembly process more efficient. And here is the instruction manual. Inside, you can see a full parts list along with a full hardware list, and they also use these enlarged illustrations to help guide you through the assembly. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your vanity, one tip to assembling this vanity properly is to build as much of it as you can on an elevated work table like I'm doing here. Believe it or not, much of the assembly can be completed on a table like this, without you having to kneel and be hunched over for an extended period. Now eventually, you will have to finish the assembly on the ground, but before then, you should anticipate using an elevated work area to help make the assembly process much smoother and more comfortable. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the vanity, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid damaging the parts or stripping the screws. One last tip for installing the mirror properly is to first start by finger tightening all the bolts about 80% of the way when attaching the two metal supports in mirror. The idea is to keep all the parts loose so that each bolt can seamlessly align with its corresponding hole. Once the bolts are all set, you can fully tighten them to secure the mirror and supports. Now, to quickly review this vanity set, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this vanity is super charming and is a statement piece, to say the least. From the fluted drawer panels in natural oak to the glam-style gold accents that complement them, this piece has so many features to admire. So whether you're a bohemian-style enthusiast or simply love a touch of elegance, this piece is your perfect match and would be a fantastic addition to your get-ready space. So let's jump in. So first things first, the lighting. This isn't just any ordinary mirror, it's equipped with adjustable brightness and 3 distinct light settings that mimics natural daylight. So say goodbye to harsh bathroom lighting or dim bedroom lamps that make makeup application a struggle. From a natural daytime look to a sultry evening glam, you'll have just the right ambiance to get your makeup just perfect every time. Now let's talk aesthetics. With a sleek natural oak finish and a sophisticated glass top, this vanity not only looks luxurious but is easy to clean too. It's got enough space for all your beauty must-haves, ensuring everything is right where you need it. And for my bohemian enthusiasts, feast your eyes on the unique fluted design. It adds such a charming touch to the overall look, while beautifully incorporating the gold handles and cylindrical legs. It's truly a statement piece. This vanity comes with a 3-tier shelf tower, perfect for displaying perfumes or keepsakes. Plus, you have 2 pull-out drawers, each with built-in organizers, and a 3-drawer chest that can double as a nightstand. It's safe to say that this vanity embodies functional charm through and through. Highlighted is the vanity's built-in charging station, which includes 2 standard AC outlets and 2 USB ports. This means you can style your hair and makeup while charging your phone without missing a beat. Now, as for the assembly, it took about 3 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools, but for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 4 to 5 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I'm really impressed with this vanity set and would highly recommend it. With ample storage, versatile lighting, and a gorgeous aesthetic, this vanity will surely add a warm and calming charm to your get-ready space. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.